So here's a little bit higher quality video of the noise I'm having with this 96 model 350. Definitely coming from the top. Not ready to run that long. No coolant. So all of these are tight now that it's ran. They were tight before I started as well. So everything's pumping up good, oil pressure's good. I did change one of these lifters. It was on this side for a brand new one because it was squishy. After about 10 minutes, it would turn squishy while all the rest of them would still be pumped up. This kind of at a loss here. I don't know. All the valves seem adjusted okay.